Baking takes time. It requires patience in the exact measurement of ingredients. However, at the end of every baking procedure comes enticing and delicious treats, cakes, muffins, and sweet-smelling loaves of bread. It's an innate nature of a woman to cook and make delicious meals, hence a bakeware set could be one of the best gifts to give her. There are varieties of bakeware sets on the market today, and it's up to you to decide which will pass your standards, and which you believe would be essential for you. Stay tuned as we bring you the top 5 bakeware sets fit for you. Whether you need the best of the best or the most affordable option, we'll relay all the best items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our video, you can check the links in the description below. Now let's start. Our first product is Rachael Cucina Nonstick Bakeware 10-piece set. This amazing set is composed of 2 pieces of 9-inch round pans, 12-cup muffin pans, 2 pieces of 10 inches by 15 inches cookie sheets, 2-piece meatloaf pan, 9-inch square pan, and 9 inches by 13 inches covered rectangle pan. This set boasts its latte-colored non-stick feature, which is placed inside and out the baking tool for easy cleanup and food release. Enjoy all your planned tasty oven-made treats, from crispy sweet potatoes and Parmesan fries to tasty and soft muffins. This 10-piece bakeware set is crafted with high-grade carbon steel. You can find the essential shapes that you will need all in this set. Every baking sheet, muffin pan, loaf pan, and the cake pan are oven safe up to 450 degrees, thanks to the rolled rims, which does the trick. The top and bottom parts of every cookware has heat-safe silicone grips. Each ware has safety handles for safety grasp with a pot holder. As you can see, the grips have a touch of modern rustic color for an added style. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Cleaning recommends hand wash for long-lasting use. Expect non-stain and non-sticky bakewares after wash. This bakeware set complements with Cucina collection for more convenient kitchen functionality. Next, we have the Wilton Bake It Better Bakeware Set. This 5-piece bakeware is perfect for people who are into baking. The set includes 13 by 20 inch cookie sheets, 1 12-cup muffin pan, 9 by 9 inches square cake pan, 9-inch springform pan, 16 by 10 inches cooling grid, and 9-inch round cake pan. It makes baking cookies, slices of bread, pies, cakes, and brownies easy. The cookie sheets, which are essential in any baking procedure, are offered in various sizes. If you're into zucchini, pound cake, meatloaf, or nut bread, then use the loaf pans. Make everybody's favorite, a homemade pizza with the pizza pan, which can range from 12 to 16 inches. The cake pan is just perfect for a classic round layer of cake in any flavor you desire. Cute, little, and enticing cupcakes are on your way with the muffin pan. Bake mini or jumbo cupcakes with 12, 24, or 48 cup pans. Healthy pies and desserts will be just fine with the springform pan. It features its non-sticky features for easy cleaning and release of food. You'll notice that each pan has an extended or wider handle for safety purposes. It's created that way so that you will not burn your hands when removing the pan from the oven, especially when the oven is already heating up. You can also see the stamped dimensions engraved at the handles for better reference. This set complements with most of your needs for baking, from the cookie sheets to muffin pans. Engaging, isn't it? Keep watching because we still have more to come. Before proceeding, let me take this opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified of our next videos. Now let's continue. The third is the Pioneer Woman Harvest 10-piece bakeware set. This set displays a unique floral design that will surely blend well with your kitchen tools. It consists of a loaf pan, 4 pieces of measuring bowls, 4 pieces of measuring spoons, and a floral rolling pan that's far from ordinary. The set is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. Clean it with ease and have an assurance that will last long. You can also use the measuring bowls as an all-purpose bowl. This is a perfect gift for someone who's fond of baking, making loaves of bread and desserts. Every piece carries a unique design crafted by the pioneer woman. The measuring spoons are a bit thick, which you'll eventually notice at first try. The bowls are a bit deep to make it more functional as well. This bakeware set is all glass, so make it a point that you get to check that you receive every piece all in good condition. Each piece is heavy but well designed and crafted. In using the loaf pan, don't use a non-stick spray as it can greatly affect the texture of the pan. The paint can possibly crack, which would ruin its beauty. This set is exclusively sold as a set, and you cannot purchase a single item from the collection. When you get a hold of it, take safety measures to make sure it lasts long. Each piece is made out of a ceramic material, hence the fragility. We want to know what you think, so please don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. Now let's head on to the last two products. The fourth item is Corning Ware French White 12-piece round and oval bakeware set. This set is multifunctional as it's safe to use with oven, freezer, microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator. It features resistance with cracking and chipping. The whole set consists of 16 ounces round dish, 24 ounce round dish, 2 piece of 4 ounce ramekins, 1.5 quarts round dish with a glass cover, and a 2.5 quart oval dish with glass. Each piece has a corresponding plastic cover. Corning Ware boasts that each piece from the set is engineered with a non-porous surface that functions to prevent the absorption of food, odors, stains, and flavors. Each unit has an engraved size for easy reference. It's also perfect for food storage. In terms of style, the design of this bakeware set portrays class and elegance. It complements any kitchen decor, which makes it a perfect gift for weddings or housewarming events. Clean with ease as this set is dishwasher safe. It's also recommended to clean it by hand to prolong its beauty and functionality. Over time, if you happen to see rust marks, don't use non-abrasive cleaner for remedy. If thorough cleaning is required, only allow the using of nylon cleaning pads. Also, don't let each piece soak in water. Putting it under heat after soaking will result in cracking. Our last product is the Baker Ease 12-piece bakeware set. This is an ideal gift for people who are into baking or trying out different dishes. You can use this set not only for loaves of bread and muffins, but for pizzas too. The set includes 2 pieces of 9-inch round cake pans, a 12-cup muffin pan, a 12-inch pizza pan, 16 by 11 jelly roll pan, 17.3 by 11.2 inch cookie pan, 13.9 by 11.6 inch baking sheet, 13 by 9 inch cake and utility pan with cover, a 9 by 5 by 3 inch 2-piece meatloaf pan, and a 10 by 16 inch cooling rack. Each pan is equipped with DuraGlide Plus non-stick finish so that you can easily remove the baked food from the pan. Present and enjoy the treats in their perfect form. The set is made of high-quality steel which heats evenly to achieve your desired brown edges and bread crusts. When baking, opt for oil or butter instead of non-stick spray, which can eventually affect the texture of the pan. Using a non-stick spray can cause cracks too. In using this set, it's highly recommended to use non-metal and heat-safe kitchen tools. The muffin pan is perfect for pizza or blueberry muffins, and every kid's favorite cupcakes with frosting. The utility pan works well with creamy fudge brownies and roasted chickens. Meanwhile, the cookie pan is the best with cookies and roasted vegetables. Cleaning will not be a hassle for you because this set is dishwasher safe. Clean it with your bare hands and rinsing it with water is fine too. So there you have it, the top 5 bakeware sets for you. Whichever you opt to get based on your standards, we hope that you find in our list the best bakeware set that you believe will be efficient for you. Did you find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items at our best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you'd like to see in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. Stay updated with our latest happenings by tapping the bell icon. Also, if you want to be part of our growing community, then tap the bell icon. By doing so, you'll get the chance of more of our videos. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.